Hello, today we will guide you through how to change username on Linktree. To begin, open Linktree admin in your browser. This is where you manage your Linktree settings, links, and account details. Once the admin dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the main management area before moving to the next step. From there, look to the top left area of the screen and click on your profile account icon or profile section. This opens the menu connected to your account settings. If you do not immediately see it, just scan the upper left corner carefully, since that is where account-related options are typically grouped. After opening the profile menu, click on Account. This will take you to the Account Settings page, where Linktree stores the more personal and administrative options for your profile. This is different from the Links page, so if the screen changes, that is expected. Once you are on the Account page, scroll down until you find the Account Management section. You may need to move a bit through the page, since this option is usually lower down among other account settings. Take your time here and make sure you are in the correct section before continuing. When you locate Account Management, click on Change Username. This is the option that allows you to update the username connected to your Linktree profile. Keep in mind that changing your username may also change the URL people use to visit your Linktree, so it is a good idea to choose the new username carefully. Next, enter your new username in the text field. In the example shown, a sample new username is entered, but you should type the username you actually want to use. Try to keep it simple, easy to remember, and consistent with your brand or online identity if possible. Also, make sure to check the spelling before moving forward, since even a small typo can affect how people find your page. After entering the new username, click on Review Username Change. This gives you a chance to confirm the update before it is finalized. Review the information on the screen carefully, especially if your Linktree URL will be changing along with the username. And that's it. You've now reached the final stage of changing your username on Linktree. If everything looks correct during the review step, you can proceed confidently. Just remember that after username change, you may want to update any places where your old Linktree username or link was shared, such as social media bios, websites, or marketing materials. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you update your Linktree username smoothly.